What I've got is a Morphy Richards filter coffee maker and with glass carafe. So the story is the DeLonghi barista pump coffee machine packed up. Basically it just wasn't pumping, it wasn't doing any, just a lot of little tiny dribble coming out of it. So I tried to have a look at it. I thought it might be the filters clogged, but it wasn't. So it might be I think it's the pump. Check to see if I can get another one, and it's discontinued. It's out of warranty anyway, so I thought, oh, whatever. And I went back to Cafetiere, and it just wasn't the same. So I thought I'd go back to a like the filter one. I had one of these before, and they were pretty good. So this is the one. So what I'm going to do, there's no point doing an unboxing, so all you do is get it out of the box. There's nothing to it really. All you get is the actual, like the carafe, the machine, and it's just one button, switch on and off. So all you do is like lift this up and like fill it. It takes a maximum, I think it's eight cups. It's probably like 4 mugs. So you just fill it up in here. It's a bit awkward doing it under here, but never mind. So you got your maximum like 10, which is one of these like the carafe. And what I'm going to do is just run hot water through it, just get rid of any like smells. And it's pretty good because this has got like a shower head, obviously soaking your coffee granules. So I'm just going to run it with water in it for the first one. So we just switch this on and let it do its thing. So that's that. Flush through with some just clear filtered water, and that will keep it hot for half an hour. And yeah, so it should be good for at least 45 minutes to an hour, drinkable. So what I'll do tomorrow morning, I'll make a fresh pot of coffee and give it the old taste test. I'm sure it's going to be good anyway. So see you in the morning. Okay, so I've had this Morphy Richards for about 3-4 days now, and my opinion on it is it's very good, very basic, one touch operation. Just fill it up with the water to the max, or just fill this up and then top it into here, and obviously put your coffee in. Yeah, works out well. It does do, as it says, like 10 cups, or it does 3 mugs, which I have mugs anyway, so yeah, it works out quite well, so I'm really pleased with it. I do recommend it. I say it's just a basic filter coffee machine, so I'm well pleased with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.